Yes, I would like to check out.
Certainly, sir. May I have your name and your number, please?
My name is Brian Antesa with 305.
Thank you, Mr. Altesa. Please allow me a moment to trigger. Okay, sir. Here is your bill. Kindly review the charges to ensure everything is in order.
So far, everything's look correct naman, kaya it's okay.
Thank you for confirming, sir. How would you like to settle your bill balance? Your balance is 25,000.
Okay, I will pay in cash. Here,
Thank you, sir. I received 25,000.
Yes.
Your payment has been successfully processed. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Okay, sir. Can I have your receipt, please?
Sure. Here.
Thank you. May I ask how your stay with us?
So far, so good naman. Kaya, para sa akin, napakaganda naman talaga na ito. Salamat.
Okay, Mr. Altesa, thank you for staying with us, and it's a pleasure to serve you. I hope we see you again soon. Thank you and enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your luggage?
Yes.
This way